Guys, right now I am just looking for Buddy since I just got up. Oh, I found him. He was on our garland. I have a feeling that he's trying to ride down the railing like he used to do. Because that was quite fun and he's tiny enough to do that. Hey guys, it's Tuesday morning. We're heading to school right now and it is currently 5 degrees outside. It is really cold. I'm helping my sister with her reading naturallys, which is just reading fluently homework that she does. And now we're home from school and now we're just doing our homework. Actually, I don't really have very much homework today. I just have to do spelling. So I just thought I'd check in with you guys since I just got home. So we're at Red Lobster for my brother's birthday dinner, and my salad just came here, and it looks really good.
Who's the very best? Makes sense.